Hi everybody. Well, we're back at the front loader. Today we're going to be looking a little bit in the engine bay. And what we need to do is get the muffler off. It is rusted out. I can hear small pieces of rust and stuff fall down into the pipe here. And what I need to make sure before turning it on next time is that there are no metal particles in the turbo. So we need to take that out. And I tried to work on it before, but it's just rusted so badly. So we're gonna try again this time to get it off. Let's do it. It's gonna take some getting used to do this kind of work with cameras. Don't know if that's an appropriate angle, but anyways. So I tried to play nice before with this thing and it was not coming off. So I think I'm just gonna try to yank it off. The collar is loose there. I don't really understand why it's not just coming off. But obviously it's not. So I'm all in favor of using tools when I can. So let's see if we can find a way to use some tools instead of just brute force. You see this part here? It's actually coming off here. It's rusted all the way through. When I try to pull this part up, it's just yanking this part. This part is staying. And the thing is, I can't really get this off. I already tried. So I want to take it piece by piece. This comes off first, then somehow get this piece here, and then I'll be good. You know, it's always just kind of a trial and error with these kind of things. For example, what I'm about to do now, I'm just taking a piece of pipe here, galvanized piece of pipe, and hammer here and move this just a bit. Don't know if it's going to work, but that's not moving at all. Breaking through there. Let's see what it does now. Nothing. I don't know, we can give it a shot with one of these. Nice German Knipex. They make good tools, man. Let's see if we can get that loosened a little bit. Man, that is rusted on there. Am I missing some kind of bolt in the back or something? Nope. Okay, got that off. I'd like to avoid cutting this. I'd really like to get this off before I go home tonight. Well, instead of pulling, maybe I could try pushing. Oh man, that is on there. Busted there. I'm gonna have to weld that whole thing. I am considering to just cut it off. Dang. All right. Let's get the angle grinder. It's just a matter of finding a good place to cut. I gotta weld all this anyways. Got a little hammer, got a chisel. Let's see if we can. I can try to get in there, but I don't know if I can quite get in there with this. No. Well. Nope. Still nothing. So let's cut a little more. Get a chisel up in there. I guess aha! Something happened. It moved, didn't it? I feel like it moved. I mean, now I can go up top and take it out. This is what I was talking about last time, about climbing around, monkeying around on this machine. Let's see if I can get it off. Ooh, came off nice. Man, that is... This thing is useless. Oh, we want to take a look. See what's in there. Uh-huh. So we're gonna have to take that off that whole assembly. Make sure there's no crap in there. There we go. Jeez. It's a small job, but everything is dang difficult on it. Uh-huh. Of course. But, put back. Remember that bolt that I dropped down here? Let's get that out with this little magnet thing. So, oh, it's right there. That's not too bad. It's right down. There we go. Got it. Magnets are a handy thing. Ta-da. Here are the pieces that we pulled off. All right. Here is what was the muffler. So I'm looking in here and this is not a muffler anymore. Now what can you see? You're not going to believe this. Yep, that is an old beer can or something. No, Mountain Dew. Is there anything else in there? Treasures? Well, got the muffler off and got to see into the turbo, and it spins fine. Glad I got the debris out. It wasn't the easiest of nights. I started late, started at around 10. It is 20 to 1 right now. I just wanted to get it done, and you know, sometimes with these jobs, because I don't have the most experience, I don't know, you know, what I should start with. So I start with the lightest, most easy thing that I can imagine, and then I kind of work my way up from there. And then I guess I gain a bit of experience, and next time I might know that I need to bring the sledgehammer out or the angle grinder before, you know, starting to try to fiddle it with my hands. Just to skip some of those steps that obviously won't work. But anyways, got it done, and we'll just have to see what to do now with the muffler, because I can't, I mean, it doesn't do anything. I might as well just straight pipe it, you know. That's a possibility too. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This one is going to be a short video, I guess. And we'll just see what I'll get up to next. Have a good one.